Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Sparkles Emoji. Today we've got something awesome for all you Star Wars and LEGO fans. It's the LEGO Star Wars Rebel U-Wing Starfighter building set, and yes, it includes Cassian Andor, Dedra Meero, and the fan favorite K-2SO. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the link in the description below to grab yours. This set is a perfect birthday gift or collector's item, and it's already flying off shelves. Rocket emoji. Package emoji. What's in the box? Inside, you'll find the U-Wing Starfighter with foldable wings and sleek battle-ready design. 3 exclusive minifigures, Cassian Andor, Dedra Meero, and K-2SO. Weapons and accessories for galactic missions. Over 700 plus pieces for a fun, challenging build. This isn't just a toy, it's a legit display piece for any Star Wars shelf. Hammer and wrench emoji, building experience, smooth, engaging, and detailed. The build process is super satisfying. LEGO did a great job blending classic Star Wars design with detailed, functional pieces. Movable wings and a sliding cockpit canopy. Compact but authentic detailing throughout. Hidden compartments and blaster holders inside the ship. Even if you're new to LEGO Star Wars, this set is easy to follow, with color-coded bags and step-by-step instructions. Sparkles emoji, minifigure highlights, must-have characters. Cassian Andor, full mission gear with great face printing and a blaster. Dedra Meero, Imperial officer look, very cool addition to your Imperial lineup. K-2SO, tall, sleek, and expressive, a fan favorite and standout minifig. These minifigs are exclusive to this set, which adds major value for collectors. Video game emoji, play or display? Why not both? This U-Wing is solid enough for play and stylish enough for display. Perfect for imaginative missions with other Rebels and Imperials. Looks great on a shelf with other Andor or Rogue One builds. Combine it with other Star Wars sets to build your own epic scenes. Present emoji, final thoughts, a must-have for Star Wars fans. Whether you're buying this for a young builder or you're an adult collector, no shame at all. The LEGO Rebel U-Wing Starfighter is a perfect blend of fun, nostalgia, and display-worthy design.